Sir, this is the file you asked for.
What files?
Files under senior officers, of course.
Who told you to bring these to me?
Marshal.
Marsha. Okay, son. That'll be all.
Oh, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you investigating the senior officers?
Who said investigating senior officers?
Oh, I thought that was the reason you requested the files.
Oh, really? So you assume? When you assume, make an ass out of you and me. So here, that'll be all.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
You could just stay there.
And you. Marsha, sometime last week, I told you I wanted some files. Now, Malcolm walks in here with the files I asked for a week later. And unless I'm gone crazy, didn't I say this was just between you and I? Listen, when I tell you to do something, you do it the way I want to. You don't designate it to somebody else. We understand each other? All right. Go ahead. If I don't send that girl, go and give me my beat. Air conditioner, turn her radio.
What? How much I gambling today? My game next year. Hey, yo, mama. Okay. What? Do I need Nike there. I was going last night. Yeah, you look good. You have the teeth on that. Oh, wow. Yeah. So much pop to the pop. Wow. Them India going Indian. Ayali. All them boots down. They had him there. Oh, there.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Tell you what, come on. You know the saying, walls have ears?
Fully aware of it, sir.
Angie, I need an answer about your being reinstated in the service, and I need it now.
No, sir.
It has to be now. This human trafficking ring is getting bigger by the day.